Hi, I'm Dr. Kenneth Fink. I'm a hematologist oncologist, and I work at Cape Fear Valley Health System. I'm in the Health Pavilion North building, where we have a separate clinic from the oncology clinic at the hospital. And I do all kinds of treatment for patients with cancer and blood disorders. I was working in the Army, did a 23-year career in the Army, and retired as a colonel, and came to Wilmington, North Carolina, and spent about almost 7 years there. And things changed, and I decided to come up here to Fayetteville. Got a call from Dr. Bakri, who's been leading this group now for about 30 years, and decided to join his group. Yeah, I decided to become an oncologist somewhat early on in my career. I was going through an internal medicine residency and trying to decide what field to go into. I was very interested in the field of oncology. It really encompasses a lot of medicine, and I believe offered me the most challenge. I do like the challenge of trying to learn and understand the more difficult illnesses that are out there. And that certainly was what drew me to it. The other aspect that was very drawing to me was the fact that I think people could actually get better from a disease that you would otherwise think they have no chance to recover from. And yet we were developing lots of new drugs, lots of new ways and innovations, so it was a growing field. The field of oncology is very dedicated to doing trials to make sure that we're always improving on where we're at in the field of oncology, and that's another real attraction to me, always trying to improve on where we're at. I think one of the greatest advantages to me is to work for this hospital system where there's so many resources that are available. The hospital is very generous at providing those resources, being sure that I'm getting the drugs and the technology I need to take care of my patients. This clinic, as well as the Cape Fear Valley Hospital Clinic, is practicing a level of oncology at the highest possible level. This is the only kind of practice I would work at. For patients to have the greatest success in their treatment, they need to have a place where they can come to that's convenient and that's comfortable. Spending the extra time with them, that's really what I enjoy the most. If I can get the extra time just to get to know a person better, get them to know me a little bit better, get them to understand what we're embarking on, the treatment goes better and the outcomes are better.